Picture this. You've just been diagnosed with a fatty liver, and your doctor tells you that you need to make some serious changes to your diet. But where do you even start? Well, have no fear, because we have a secret weapon that will help you not only manage your fatty liver but also improve your overall health. Introducing the DASH diet, a game changer for those suffering from a fatty liver. Stick around to find out exactly how this incredible diet works, how to get started, and a fun fact that you probably never knew about the DASH diet. First, let's take a moment to understand what a fatty liver is. When excess fat builds up in your liver, it can cause inflammation, leading to a condition called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease (NAFLD). This condition can potentially lead to more severe liver problems, like cirrhosis or even liver failure. It's no joke, and that's why getting your liver health in check is crucial. Enter the DASH diet. DASH stands for Dietary Approaches to Stop Hypertension. And while it was initially designed to combat high blood pressure, it has since been found to have a wide range of benefits, including helping those with fatty liver. The DASH diet is all about eating nutrient-rich foods that promote liver health, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and low-fat dairy products. The diet also encourages cutting back on unhealthy fats, added sugars, and sodium, all of which can contribute to fatty liver disease. So, you might be wondering, how does this magical diet work? The key is its focus on nutrient-dense foods, which are low in calories but high in essential vitamins and minerals. When you're consuming more nutrients, you're providing your liver with the fuel it needs to function properly and break down fats more efficiently. Plus, by limiting unhealthy foods, you're not overloading your liver with the bad stuff that could lead to more inflammation and damage. Ready to give the DASH diet a try? Here are a few tips to help you get started. 1. Gradually increase your fruit and vegetable intake. Try adding 1 serving of fruit and 1 serving of vegetables to each meal. This will make it easier for you to reach the recommended daily servings of 4 to 5 for each food group. 2. Swap out refined grains for whole grains. Choose whole wheat bread, brown rice, or whole grain pasta instead of their refined counterparts to get more fiber and nutrients. 3. Opt for lean proteins. Pick proteins like fish, poultry, and beans, which are not only leaner but also provide essential nutrients for liver health. 4. Limit unhealthy fats. Cut back on saturated and trans fats found in fatty meats and processed foods. Instead, choose healthier fats like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. 5. Watch your sugar and sodium intake. Keep an eye on added sugars and sodium in processed foods, as they can contribute to fatty liver disease. Now, let's not forget about that fun fact I promised you. Did you know that the DASH diet was actually inspired by a study of vegetarian populations? That's right. Researchers observed that vegetarians tended to have lower blood pressure than non-vegetarians, leading them to create a diet that mimicked the nutrient profile of a vegetarian diet without excluding meat entirely. This unique origin story is just another reason why the DASH diet is so versatile and effective. In conclusion, the DASH diet is an incredible tool for managing and even reversing fatty liver disease. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods and cutting back on unhealthy fats, added sugars, and sodium, you're giving your liver the best chance to heal and function at its best. So, don't wait any longer. Start your journey to better liver health and overall wellness with the DASH diet today. As you incorporate these dietary changes into your daily routine, you'll likely notice improvements not only in your liver health but also in your energy levels, weight management, and overall well-being. And remember, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet. They can provide personalized guidance and support to ensure that you're on the right track for your specific needs. If you are looking for some recipe inspiration or meal planning ideas, there are tons of DASH diet-friendly cookbooks and online resources available. You'll find delicious, nutrient-rich meals that cater to a variety of tastes and preferences, making it easier than ever to stick to the diet and achieve your health goals. As you embark on this journey with the DASH diet, be patient and remember that change takes time. Gradually incorporating these healthier habits into your lifestyle will not only help you manage your fatty liver but also set the stage for long-lasting, sustainable health improvements. So, there you have it. The DASH diet could be your secret weapon in the fight against fatty liver disease. With its focus on nutrient-rich foods, the diet provides your liver with the essential nutrients it needs to function optimally and promotes overall health. So, give it a try and watch as your liver health and overall well-being improve before your very eyes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable health and wellness tips. We'd love to hear about your experiences with the DASH diet or any other strategies you've used to manage your fatty liver. So leave a comment below and let's keep the conversation going.